Okay, cool. So where the fuck? Yes, please.
You can ask them for all.
Dang, bro. Bacon. Dude, is that hot Cheetos? Oh, no. I thought that was hot Cheetos, bro. I'm tripping. I'll take that dragon fruit.
You don't like caprese?
What's that?
It's just mozzarella and...
Oh, and tomato? That is so whack.
You try this? You don't see
Yeah, I'll try it. Oh, Brazilian. I'll take some pineapple for sure. Want pineapple or no?
No,
Oh, shit. You guys already ordered some steak?
No, they just come around and do it. All you can eat.
Wait. Yo, I'm tripping, but... That is so sick, bro. Wait, what the...
That's it.
That's it?
No, but they
That's
come
like
back.
hella more on there. Oh, wait, no, I've never been here. I've never been here. I just...
Yeah, there's 18 different meats.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Eagle. Hey. Yo, this is sick. Oh, I'm grabbing this meat. Thank you, bro. Just keep coming. All right. Another one. Oh, yeah. Appreciate you, broski. Damn. Another. Dude, I'm meated up. I don't know what to do. Bro, we should have got high. We should have got real high. What is going? I'm down. Dude, what? Wait, what do I grab?
You can tell you. Right.
Oh, shit. Dude.
Thank you.
Wow. Man. Bro. Alright. Bro, what? What is... Hey, yup. Let's go. Yeah. Bro, I'm gonna run out of battery. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Let's go again, bro. Who cares, right? Oh yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Wait, baby, wait.
Whoa.
Yes, that's
What? Like that? Wait, hold on. Bro, yes, sir. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Damn, is that like the intestine or what? That shit was crazy. I got too much meat in me. Bacon wrap chicken, bro. Bring that over here, bro. That's our bacon wrap. Oh yeah. Oh.
Hindi ako pinakain ni ate sa bahay nila. Kaya kailangan ko rin kumain.
I don't know what the fuck mom just said. She was just speaking. Oh, Jeremy. Oh, there's pizza? No, that's oh. That looks like pizza, just like on some like thin bread. Like from CPK. That's cheese.
What is this? Oh.
Placenta? I'll take some lamb, bro. Oh, damn, the whole thing? All right. Bro, there's so much meat going on.
Nothing. I got a lot of meat over here. No more. Is it steak?
What's the point of this? Like you expect it to be like sweet, but it's not. No, it's just like nothing. It's a whole bunch of nothing. It's like nothing in your mouth. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. I see what it is, but I'm cool.
Yeah, don't eat the skin.
Mom.
1 hour later. A few moments later.
Bro. Dang. That's thick. Dude, see, this is why I didn't even want to grab sides. Like, there's no point. I was going to eat meat all day. You know what I mean? No, that Brazilian corn's low.
Chicken thigh, chicken thigh.
I'll take some, bro. Yeah, yup. Bam. That chicken thigh. Yeah, yup. Hey, that's protein all day. Oh, dude. Yeah, it's my favorite. Ow. That is hot. Ooh. Wait, what is that? Yeah, I'm down. Yeah, yup. Thank you. No more, bro. No more, bro. So much, bro. I need to eat all this, bro. How long can we stay here for? How long can we stay here for? Bro, like, give me a 30-minute break downstairs, come back up. This drink is so drinky. Bro, no more, bro. I'm not. This will put you in places you don't want to be in. Bro, I'm getting full. I don't know how much meat has been in my mouth. Wait.
Bacon wrap steak.
I'm good, bro. I'm getting full. There's a lot.
What's the difference in plantains? Oh, I love these plantains. They're so good. You don't even know? That's what I said. I said, he said, I said, never mind, I'm gonna say something. I didn't know you didn't eat banana. Is it the shake? I don't know how you did that.
I had like 7 different meats for sure.
No, but you had like 10.
Yeah?
You had 10 in there, and you maybe had a double of the garlic shake.
That's true. Dude, everything's good. I need to take like a time out. I need to breathe.
What do you mean breathe, breathe? Don't tell me to breathe. I can't be. Yo, bring me a shot.
I'm done with everything, bro. I don't even know what to do with myself. I just want to go to sleep, to be honest. Who's driving?
Not us. That's what I had. No, thank you. You? Oh, okay. Sorry. I think it's in my brain.
Yeah, yup.
But the chemical does, like everyone.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Like bacon wrap steak. Yeah, yup. I appreciate you, fam. Let's go. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, yup. Let's get it. For me. Yeah. Oh.
What do you want?
I heard mixed reviews about it.
You okay?
But I feel like the first one, nothing will beat like the first couple ones that we grew up with, like the Shia LaBeouf ones. The Shia LaBeouf is crazy. You know what I mean? The Mark Wahlberg ones are kind of, yeah. But 1 and 2, you don't know who Mark Wahlberg is? You know Mark Wahlberg.
I know the name, but I can't remember.
He's in Painting Game. Well, yeah, he's in a lot of movies. I don't know what movie you would know him from. He's from Patriot Day.
Oh, yeah.
He's from Ted. He's from Ted. He's from oh yeah, what's that one? Yeah, Wahlberg. Yeah, I'm done, bro. I can't do this anymore. Fogo. Oh, dude, it feels so good out here. Oh my god. Watch that shit close on her. No. Dude, yeah, just leave it. You're good. Shit, that thing, it's like a wing. Dude, that thing's gonna, it's like a bird. Like, it literally just opens up. Like,
yeah, the door opens.
but there, I don't like how you can't manually. Oh wait,
you
you can.
You can. Yeah, you can.
Oh, it's just a little tough.
Yeah, because the sensors are forcing, because it sees her.
That's dope. Oh shit! Oh, you scared me.